So, this is a dual differential. Why did you guys decide to go with the dual differential drive here?
Because it would, in the past we've used single differential where we had two motors power individual wheels, but we had a lot of problem with drifting because motors had different power.
Now,
And this one goes almost perfectly straight. I think it drifted 1 inch to the left every meter.
oh, that's pretty good. And as long as it does that predictably, I mean, if it's always 1 inch to the left every meter, then you can kind of compensate for it, can't you?
And one of the great things about it, the reason it can't drift is because if you look at it, if you turn just one wheel, it turns the other one because there's a series of gears connecting
Sure
them.
does.
And also, it means that even though we have two motors powering it, they're both powering the exact same thing.
And they're hooked up to the same slot here.
Yeah, now I found that kind of interesting that you decided to actually attach both motors to the same port.
They're going to...
Did you ever experiment hooking them up to a different port to see if you could actually get a little bit more power that way?
No.
Really?
We don't really need any more power.
You got enough, huh?
Because even if you attached it to a different slot, all that would do would add programming obstacles and give it a greater chance that it would mess
The
up.
programming obstacle would be that you'd have to turn on B and C instead of just C. So don't give me that.
No, but the thing is, it's just, so it wouldn't be hard, but it would take a little bit of extra work. You have to give us that.
Okay, I'll give you that.
And so what's the point?
And you might get a little extra power. It'd be worth an experiment.
We have enough power. But if you do them like that, or if these gears turn the same direction. But then if you turn this, see, there's 4 gears here and 3 gears here. So then one of them will go opposite, or these will turn the same. Then the gears turn the same way. But if you do it here, then they'll turn opposite.
Yep. It's interesting. It's different than almost any one that I've ever seen before.
Yeah, I did
Usually,
some research.
you know, that's right. Usually what happens with the dual differential drive is if you're going straight, one differential will turn, and if you are turning, the other differential will turn. And yours is definitely different from that. If you're going straight, they turn in opposite directions, but if you're going in a corner or in a turn, they turn the same direction. But it's very elegant. It's packaged quite nicely. Nice work. Very nice work.
Thanks.
I just got the sign. I got to wrap things up. Is there anything here that I haven't asked about that you haven't had a chance to tell me about, but you want to make sure I know before we finish up?
Anything?
Sam, what do you think?
I don't think there's anything else. I think we covered most
We
of
had
We had
more rotation sensors at the beginning.
Now that you can actually use 2 rotation sensors,
We
you
don't
choose
need
not
to
to.
anymore.
All right, well that makes sense. Okay, well guys, good luck on the table. We're not going to do it today, but good luck on the table and nice job.